And shifting focus now to some political news. Well, the battle for Seema Andhra has boiled down to a fight between the TDP-BJP combine and the YSR Congress. Riding on the so-called Modi wave, the TDP now promises to turn Seema Andhra into Swarna Andhra or Golden State. Modi has already taken pot shots at Jagan Reddy's tainted team.
In Seemandhra, where it is the BJP-TDP alliance versus Jagan Mohan Reddy's YSR Congress, this has been Narendra Modi's main pitch.
आपको तय करना है कि आपको सीमांध्र को स्वर्णिम आंध्र बनाना है या आपको सीमांध्र को स्कैम आंध्र बनाना है। ये निर्णय करने का ये चुनाव है।
The reference is to the several charge-sheeted industrialists in Jagan's lineup, like this one, Ayodhya Rami Reddy, former chairman of the Ramki Group, which allegedly invested 150 crore rupees in Jagan's media company in return for relaxed green norms for a pharma city in Visakhapatnam.
See, what is the charge on Jagan Mohan Reddy? They say that Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy has sold shares at a premium. And because of that, on a quid pro quo basis, some of us got benefited. Yes. It's a completely baseless allegation because people who are not benefited, assumably, they were also given at the same price. People who got benefited, is what they say, is also given at the same price. Where is this quid pro quo?
In neighbouring Vijayawada, YSR Congress has fielded Koneru Prasad, who spent 10 months in jail in the MR case. Prasad is accused of having sold flats at inflated rates and pocketing the profits instead of sharing it with the state government. His rival is TDP's Kesaneni Nani, another money bag whose fleet of 350 Volvo buses makes him one of the leading transporters in India.
The opponent is a corrupt person and he has been arrested and put in jail for 10 months and came out on a bail in the MR scam.
Kesaneni Nani is not the one to decide that. It is the judiciary who has to decide, and it's the people verdict which makes the difference.
The voters in Seemandhra will decide whether they would want these tainted CEOs, also referred to as sarcastically as the CBI candidates, to represent them in Parliament.
Chandrababu Naidu has gone to the extent of saying that those who vote for Jagan Mohan Reddy's candidates will also have to go to jail. The question is whether such strongly worded campaign will make a dent in the fortunes of the YSR Congress. In Vijayawada, T.S. Sudhir for Headlines Today.